Hello students, welcome back to my channel Maths World. Now today we are going to start with the chapters for the 9th standard and we are going to learn a topic from the mathematics part 1, that is the algebra. Okay, now here we are going to start with the chapter 1, that is sets. Now here, as you can observe some pictures over there. Okay, in the first picture you can observe a bunch of flowers. Second, we have the bunch of keys. Third, we have the flock of birds. Next, we have the pile of notebooks, and next we have the collection of numbers. Now in all above the examples, we can clearly list the objects of that collections. That means we can, अगर फर्स्ट पिक्चर मेरे पास है bunch of flowers, so in that we can count the number of flowers. Second, bunch of keys है, in that also we can count the number of keys. That means is all above the given examples we can clearly जो objects है वो clearly list out कर सकते हैं from that collections. Now we call the collection of the such object as a set. We call the collection of such objects as a sets. Now observe the collection. Happy children in the village. Second, brilliant students of the class. In both the examples, the word happy and brilliant are relative terms. That means they are only showing the happy children and the brilliant students. Now, both the terms differ from person to person. Therefore, these collections are not sets. That means we cannot clearly define the objects. Now here we have one question. See the examples given below and decide whether it is a set or not. The first example is days of a week. So now we have to check whether the given example is a set or not. Now we can clearly list out the days of a week. That means the first example is a set. Next one, month of a year. So now here also we can clearly list out the months of the year. This is also an example of a set. Third one, brave children in the class. So in this example, the term brave is differ from children to children. So this is not the example of a set. Fourth one, first 10 counting numbers. Now in this example, we can clearly list out the numbers. This is the example of set. Strong forts of Maharashtra. So now these concepts also differ from fort to fort. This is not an example of a set. Planets in our solar system. We know what are the planets and how much are the planets in our solar system. That means it's a set of, it's an example of a set. Now how to identify whether the given example is set or not? In the collection, the object should be clearly defined. The object should be clearly defined, then only we can say the given example is a set. Now here we have the definition. If we can definitely and clearly decide the objects of a given collection, then that collection is called the set. मतलब given collection में जो objects दिए हैं, if we can definitely and clearly decide the objects, then only we can say that the given collection is a set. Now here the next point is come कि how to name the set and how to name the elements of the set. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लर्न व्हाट इज मीन बाय एलिमेंट ऑफ अ सेट. अगर मैंने यहाँ पे फर्स्ट एग्जांपल देखा डेज ऑफ अ वीक, दैट मीन्स ये एग्जांपल में टोटल सेट कौन सा है, वीक का है. वीक में क्या दिए हैं, डेज दिए हैं. दैट मीन्स डेज आर द एलिमेंट्स ऑफ द सेट ऑफ वीक. ओके, मतलब जो कलेक्शन दिया है वो कलेक्शन में जो ऑब्जेक्ट्स दिए हैं वो हर एक ऑब्जेक्ट को हम लोग बोलेंगे एलिमेंट ऑफ द सेट. Now here name of the set is always defined by the capital letters which starts from A, B, C, D and ends up to a Z. name of the set is always defined by the capital letters. Now members of the set or the elements of the set are always defined by the small letters, which starts from A, B, C, D and ends up to Z. Whatever the elements are always defined by the small letters, and the name of the set is always defined by the capital letters. Now this elements of the set is always enclosed by the curly bracket. We know what is mean by curly bracket. ये जो elements है sets के जो elements है, these are always enclosed by the curly bracket. Suppose we have this set name as A and these are the elements of this set A, and this is the enclosed by the curly bracket. Now next point we have, if A is an element of a set A, then how to denote that concept, how to denote that sentence. Okay, so here the given is, if A is an element of a set A, then we have to show in a symbolic form. Then how to denote? A belongs to capital A. It's a symbolic form to show this particular sentence. If particular element is belong to that particular set, then we have to show by this symbolic form. Suppose if A is not an element of a set A, if A is not an element of a set A, then how to show A does not belongs to A? This lines shows that the small a is not an element of a set A. A does not belongs to A. Here belongs to, and here does not belongs to. Okay. Now let us observe the set of the numbers. First one is the capital N, that is a set of natural numbers which enclosed by the curly bracket. Natural numbers are always starts from 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to so on, and enclosed by again curly bracket. Whole number starts from 0, 1, 2, 3 up to so on, enclosed by the curly bracket. Third one is capital I, which is a set of integer which contains all negative integers, all positive integers including 0. Next we have the set of rational numbers. Next we have the set of irrational numbers. We all know what is mean by rational numbers and what is mean by the irrational numbers. Next we have methods of writing sets. How to write set? We have two methods. First one is listing method or roster method, and second one is rule method or set builder method. First one is listing method. In that method we have to write the set by using the commas. That means each element of the set is separated by the commas. Each element is separated by the commas. And second जो है rule method, the name of the method itself says that in that method we have to use some rule or some statement to state the particular set. Here we have both the methods in detail. First one is listing method or roster method. Here all the elements in enclosed by the curly bracket. Okay, if it's a set, then all the elements in set, every element is enclosed by the curly bracket. So here is also all the elements are enclosed by the curly bracket. Next, each element once separated by the comma. That means हर एक जो element है, each of the element is written only once and is separated by the commas. Next one है, the order of the element is not important, but it is necessary to write all the elements of the set. That means order does not matter. It can be a jumbling also. Order does not matter, but all the elements should be written in the set. Suppose example है मेरे पास set of all odd numbers between 1 to 10. So we have to give the curly bracket. So first of all we have to give the name of the set, that is A, capital A, curly bracket. Set of odd numbers between 1 to 10 है. So we have to write set of odd numbers from 1 to 10, which starts from 1, 3, 7 and 9. Again 5. These are the set of odd numbers from 1 to 10. Here by this listing method हम लोग ने क्या किया, हर एक एलिमेंट सेपरेटली लिखा बाय द कॉमास. ओके, हर एक एलिमेंट ओनली वंस लिखा, ओनली वन टाइम लिखा. एंड ऑर्डर मैंने कैसे भी लिखा है, इट डज़ नॉट मैटर, ऑर्डर डज़ नॉट मैटर, ऑर्डर हम लोग कैसे भी लिख सकते हैं. सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल, सपोज यहाँ पे दिया है सेट ऑफ द लेटर्स फ्रॉम द वर्ड रिमेंबर. ओके, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सेट को नेमिंग करते हैं एज अ बी enclosed by the curly bracket. set of the letters, so remember में letters क्या क्या है, R, E, M, again B and R. so यहाँ पे curly bracket मैंने दिया and the letters are R, E, M, B. now in that example, as you can observe, R is twice, so here we have to write only once. E is also thrice, so here we have to write only once. M is twice, so here we have to write only once. That means each element should be written once and each element separated by the commas. This is the listing method. Now next is the rule method or set builder form. In that method, general element by using variable followed by the vertical line or column. And second, property of the variable. That means in that we have to use general element to show the elements, all the elements of the set, and then we have to use the property of the variable. Suppose first example is given as natural number from 1 to 10. So let us start. First we have to give the name to the set. That is A. We can give any letter from A to Z. So now start. फर्स्ट यहाँ पे क्या दिया है, जनरल एलिमेंट बाय यूजिंग वेरिएबल. दैट मीन्स फॉर ऑल द एलिमेंट्स वी हैव टू यूज वन जनरल एलिमेंट. सो लेट अस राइट एज अ एक्स. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट, followed by the vertical line or colon, followed by the vertical line or colon. Next, property of the variable. What is the property of the variable given over here? It's a natural number from 1 to 10. That means this particular x is belongs to set of the natural number and it is between 1 to 10. That means 1 is less than x less than 10. So why I use this condition? Because depend on the example. The given example is between what we have to write the natural numbers between 1 to 10 only. That's why I have written 1 is less than x less than 10. मतलब यहाँ पे मैंने क्या किया, इन जनरल मैंने एक पर्टिकुलर वेरिएबल कंसिडर किया कि जो सारे एलिमेंट्स को डिफाइन करेगा. x then followed by the vertical line or colon and then property. प्रॉपर्टी क्या है कि x belongs to natural number, x natural number है which is lies between 1 to 10. Okay, now how to read this? The set of x such that x belongs to natural number, 1 is less than x less than 10. Okay, now second, prime numbers between 1 to 100. Here we have to write the prime numbers between 1 to 100. So we have to write it as, we have to denote it by the letter, capital letter B enclosed by the curly bracket. We have to use general variable. Let us take y, then vertical line, then y is what? Y is a prime number, and next the property is given as 1 is less than y less than 100. That means here we have to write the prime numbers between 1 to 100. Next example, we have letters of the word division. Now here what we will do, we will write this example by both the methods, by listing method also and by rule method also. Okay, first we will write it by the listing method. Let us denote it by the capital C. क्या दिया है example? Letters of the word division. Listing method में what we have to do, we have to write each particular element which is separated by the commas. So what are the letters over here? First one is D, and second rule is what? The letter should not be repeated. That means every letter, each element, we have to write it only once. So first is D, next we have I, then V, then S, then O, and then N. D, I, V, SON. This is by the listing method. Second, we have to write it as a listing method. So यहाँ पे we have to use general variable. Let us take it as x, then separate, then followed by the vertical line, and we have to use the property. That means x is the letter from the word division. Okay, this is the property of the given example. Fourth example, we have set of primes from the 1 to 20. So first we will write first by the listing method. Let us denote it by the list capital letter D. Then what are the primes from 1 to 20? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and the 19. And by rule method we have to use general variable. Let us take it as y such that y is a prime number and 1 is less than y less than 20. This is by the rule method. I hope you understand both the methods, listing method and rule method. Now let us solve the practice set depend on the listing method and rule method. Practice set 1.1. First question we have, write the following sets in roster form. Okay, so first example is set of the even natural numbers. Now as you can remember, roster form means we have to use it by we have to write it by the listing method. Okay, so first is set of even natural numbers. So what are the set of even natural number we have? So first of all we have to give the name. Let set A is equals to enclosed by the curly bracket and the even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8 and up to so on. Why up to so on? Because they have not mentioned up to which number we want the even natural numbers. They said only set of even natural numbers. That means it is uncountable. Second, we have set of even prime number from 1 to 50. So let set B is equals to enclosed by the curly bracket and the even prime number from 1 to 50 is only 2. We have already studied in this type of question in standard 7th. The even prime number is only 2. Next we have set of negative integers. It is denoted by the capital C. Negative integers are all the negative numbers. Okay, enclosed by the curly bracket. Next, set of basic sounds of sorghum. We all know what are those. So let denote it by the capital A and the sorghums are sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni. These are the 7 sorghums of the basic sounds. Second question we have, write the following symbolic statements in the words. Okay, now how to write? First one is 4/3 is a belongs to Q. Belongs to Q मतलब क्या कि 4/3 is an element of set Q. So we have to write 4/3 is an element of set Q. Second, -2 does not belongs to n. That means -2 is not an element of set capital N. Next we have the set P is given as P such that P is an odd number. That means set P is a set of all P's such that P is an what odd number. मतलब यहाँ पे हम लोग को ये क्वेश्चन में हम लोग को क्या दिया है, जो स्टेटमेंट्स दिए हैं वो स्टेटमेंट सिर्फ हम लोग को सिंबॉलिक फॉर्म में लिखने हैं. Now next, write any two sets by listing method and by rule method. We have to write any two sets by using listing method and by using rule method. So here we have the two sets. These two examples we have to write by own. Okay, so first is set of letters of the word small. So let us write it by first of all listing method, denote by the capital A, and the set is S M A L. Second, we have to write it by the rule method. So X such that X is the letter of the word small. Next we have the example set of all even numbers less than 15. So first by the listing methods. So what are the even natural numbers less than 15? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and 14. Next set we have, or by rule method we can write X such that X is an even number less than 15. दिस इज एग्जाम्पल. ये जो क्वेश्चन है ये हम लोग के मन से लिखना है. वी हैव टू राइट इट बाय आवर ओन. Question number 4, we have write the following sets by using the listing method. First example, all months in the Indian solar year. So we have to use listing method. So here we have the answer. These are the months from the Indian solar year. Next example, letter in the word complement. So let us denote it by the capital B. What are the letters from the word complement? C, O, M, P, L, E. M is written, E is also written, N and here. Next T. Set of human sensory organs. So let denoted by the capital C. So sensory organs are nose, ears, eyes, tongue and the skin. These are 5 sensory organs. Next set of prime numbers from 1 to 20. So letters denoted by the, again take capital A. So which are the prime numbers from 1 to 20? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and the 19. Next, name of the continents of the world. So what are the continents of the world? So let us denoted by the capital E. The continents are Asia, Africa, Europe, Australia, Antarctica, South America and North America. These are the continents of the world. Okay, next example, last, write the following sets by using the rule method. Okay, that means we have to use particular properties. So first of all we have to identify the sets and elements of the set, that which type of elements are given in this set. So first example is set A is given. In that we have the element 1, 4, 9, 16, 25 and up to 100. That means if I observe the elements of this set, these are all squares from 1 to 10. Okay, so now how to write the given example by using rule method. So set A enclosed by curly bracket, general variable let us take as x such that x is equals to n square. Why? Because these are all given squares and n is belongs to natural number where n is less than or equals to 10. This is the first example. क्या लिया मैंने यहाँ पे कैपिटल A equals to enclosed by the curly bracket, take general variable as x such that x is equals to n square, comma n belongs to natural number and n पे कंडीशन क्या है कि n is less than or equal to 10. मतलब यहाँ पे 1 to 10 के ही स्क्वायर से है. That's why here n is less than or equals to 10. Next, Second example, b is equals to set. The set is given as 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42 and 48. That means, as you can observe, these are the multiples of 6 up to 48. So here we have to write set b x such that these are the multiples of 6. That means we have to take x is equals to 6n. Why 6n? Because multiples of n, where n is belongs to natural number, and यहाँ पे multiples कितने तक दिए हैं? 6 8 जा 48. मतलब n पे, स्मॉल n पे कंडीशन क्या आएगा? n इज लेस देन और इक्वल्स टू 8 आएगा. वाई? बिकॉज अगर मैं यहाँ पे देखूँ, ये 6 का टेबल है एंड अप टू 8 तक है, मतलब ये n जो है, ये n पे कंडीशन क्या आएगा कि n इज लेस देन और इक्वल्स टू 8 ओनली. थर्ड, c इज इक्वल टू द सेट ऑफ द लेटर्स. कौन से वर्ड का लेटर है? स्माइल. सो वी हैव टू टेक इट एज c curly bracket. Let us take at y, and y is e letter in the word smile. Okay. Next, d is a set given as days of the week. So यहाँ पे by rule method how to write d is equals to, let us take general variable as a y. Y is a day of the week. Easy है. Now let us take last example. Set x is given as set of elements. We have a, e, t. Okay. So now how to write in a rule method? X is equals to y such that y is a letter in the word eat. Easy है. We have to use only general property and then we have to write in a rule method. I hope you understand both the methods. First one is listing method and second one is rule method. In the listing method, we have to write all the elements in a curly bracket. Each element should be write once separated by the commas, and order of the element does not matter. And in the second method, rule method में क्या करना है? We have to write general element by using the variable and which is followed by the vertical lines, and the property of the variable should be written. Okay, मतलब rule method में important क्या है? Property of the variables. And listing method में what is important कि हर एक example should be separated by the commas and all the elements should be written once. Okay. Now I hope you understand all the examples. Now if you like my video, share to your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.